Rectangle. Rectangle, as we know, it is a four-sided polygon. In SolidWorks, we have 5 types of rectangles. One is you can create a rectangle using 2 diagonal points, or you can choose a center point and a other corner. You can create 2 ways of oriented rectangle, and fifth you can create an parallelogram. Now let's see how can we create these rectangles in SolidWorks. Here the different type of rectangle can be retrieved from this pull down. I will choose a corner rectangle, and you can see here this dialog box will give you 4 types of rectangle. The first one is corner rectangle. I'll go to corner rectangle. I will choose, now the corner rectangle is in active. I can choose the first point, and I can say second point up to here. And there is one more command, that is center rectangle. You can just select the first point, and you can see the rectangle will be exactly centered between this point. It is symmetrically distributed. And the third is, you want to create an oriented rectangle, you can do this. First point and second point, this is the orientation angle. You can see it gives you a distance, it is length of this rectangle, and angle is 25.83. and moreover you can see it gives you a tracking point where you can exactly see it is exactly matching with the midpoint of the bottom line. And now I will select the second point, and now the direction is moved here, and that distance d is equal to 23.98 is showing the width of the rectangle. Draw this. Now the oriented rectangle is finished, and once again there is one more challenge. I need to create a rectangle where it should be exactly centered, but it should be oriented. Now I'll select a point from here. That is, I'll take this point, first point, and select the second point from here, and now you can see we'll get the midpoint using this tracking, and I'll select how much angle you need, and I can choose a rectangle here. I can create this rectangle. And last is, I would like to create a parallelogram. I'll choose a first point, second point distance is 85.56, and I can choose, you can see here the 2 lines are parallel, that is width lines are parallel, and I choose a point here. Now we have seen the 5 type of rectangle created in SolidWorks, and this shows that the SolidWorks is giving you a number of tools to create the sketches, avoiding the multiple operations.